Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garnier Vitamin C Booster Serum. First, let's prepare your skin for optimal absorption. Start by cleansing your face thoroughly with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt or makeup. Next, apply your favorite toner to help balance your skin's pH. It is important to ensure your skin is completely dry before moving on to the next step, as this allows the serum to penetrate effectively. Now, let's move on to applying the serum itself. Using the dropper, dispense about 3 to 5 drops of the Garnier Vitamin C Booster Serum onto your fingertips. Carefully dot the serum across your entire face and neck. Then, with gentle, upward circular motions, massage the product into your skin until it is fully absorbed. This ensures even distribution and maximum benefit. For best results, consistency is key. Apply your Vitamin C Booster Serum twice a day, both in your morning and evening skincare routines. After the serum has fully absorbed, follow up with your favorite moisturizer to seal in the hydration and active ingredients. If you are applying the serum in the morning, it is absolutely essential to finish with a broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect your skin. The Garnier Vitamin C Booster Serum offers several fantastic benefits for your skin. It works to visibly brighten your complexion, giving you a more radiant glow. Additionally, it helps to diminish the look of dark spots and promotes a more even skin tone. Its lightweight, non-greasy formula is designed to be suitable for all skin types, making it a versatile addition to almost any routine. Remember, consistent use yields the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.